A lot of new YouTube creators and even those that have been on these YouTube platforms for some time now are confused on how to upload. Some even ask questions like what are the right features to upload, what are the right way to upload, do I even make use of the YouTube app, the YouTube studio, or even make use of the YouTube dashboard when uploading. A lot of questions are being asked on a daily basis, and if you aren't careful enough, there are some misleading answers that you might get. So in this video, I'm going to be resolving those issues. I'm going to be telling you and showing you at the same time what to do, how to upload the right way as someone that is new, someone that is aspiring, or even someone that has been old on this YouTube platform. I'm going to be showing you and telling you the right things to do. So if this is a video that you are interested in, then definitely want to keep on watching, and let's go. Okay, with a lot of videos out there addressing this particular issue, and even being that I was even privileged to make one of those videos, I'm going to be giving you a clear narrative and breaking it down to your understanding about those features, about what those features is all about. However, it is not as if you upload to the YouTube app or through the YouTube studio, you won't get as much views as when you are making use of the YouTube dashboard. That is not what views is all about. On the contrary, what this means is that there are some important features for you to use when uploading that you can only see in the YouTube dashboard. These features are not available in the YouTube studio or the YouTube app, and it's very important, especially for someone that is starting new and for somebody that is monetized, that is looking forward to make more money from your videos. These features are for you. Now, what you should be curious about, what you should really want to know is, what are these features? Why are these features important? Now, the first important feature is end screen. You can't access end screen when making use of the YouTube app or the YouTube studio. You can only access end screen where you are making use of the YouTube dashboard to upload your videos. I know that a lot of new persons, a lot of new creators might be confused on what is end screen. How do I recognize end screen? What are the importance of end screen? Okay, end screen is like a way of you promoting your other videos. It is a link to click to watch other videos of the creator, and it usually appears close to the end of the video. It usually appears close to the ending of the video. It's like a way of you advertising your videos to your audience. Now, I know that you must have watched a video where the creator was giving reference to, here is a video that I made. At the ending of the video, here is the video that I made about so and so this. If you are interested, please do click and watch. That is what end screen is about. That thing that is like in a box at the left hand side or the right hand side close to the end of the video is what is end screen. Now, that advertising part is the most important, because we need every views we can get. We need every clicks we can get. Anybody that can click on our video is what we need. Any views is what we need. Now, if you are somebody that have been neglecting end screen, if you are somebody that have been being like, what is end screen? What is even the importance of end screen? Now, let me bust your bubbles. A lot of people do get views from end screen, be it 5, be it 10, be it 20, be it 30. Any amount of views you can get is very important. If you are somebody that is monetized, you will know the importance of end screen. You will know the importance of getting views, because on the contrary, the amount of views you get will determine how much money you are going to be making from your content. That is the raw truth. The amount of views your video gets will determine the amount of money you are going to be making from your content. Now, if you are somebody that is new in this platform, if you are somebody that is struggling to get views and you really want to grow, end screen is definitely an important feature that you must try. The next most important feature that you can't find anywhere in your YouTube app or your YouTube studio is cards. What are cards? Cards are linked to other videos. You might have been watching a video, then something will just drop at the right hand top. It's like a bus that is in a straight line will just drop at the right hand top. It is very common, whereby a creator will be saying in the video that I'm going to be dropping a link here. If you are interested, do click and watch. That is what is card. Card is very important for you as a creator, especially when you want to give reference to your video like I've just said earlier. Don't worry, for you to understand these features clearly, after I've finished listing these features and explaining them, I'm going to be dropping a screen record to show you how to make use of these features when you want to upload. The next feature is very, very important, especially for those guys who are monetized. Now, this feature is ad placement. As a creator who is monetized here on this YouTube platform, you don't depend fully on your YouTube Studio or your YouTube app, because they are important features for you guys that are only accessible in the YouTube dashboard. Features like ad placement. You see those ads that usually play on a creator video. That ads were placed there manually by the creator. Okay, that ad was placed there manually by the creator. If you are making use of your YouTube app or your YouTube Studio, you won't be privileged enough to get these features. And remember, the more ads there is in your video, the more money you get to make, and that is in your favor. So this ad placement is not accessible in the YouTube Studio or the YouTube app. It is only accessible when making use of the YouTube app, and I will advise you as a monetized creator to start prioritizing the YouTube dashboard. Now, the fourth most important feature, which you can't find anywhere except in your YouTube dashboard, is test and compare thumbnail. Now, this is a feature that allows you to test different types of thumbnails for you to be able to know the one that viewers are engaging with the most, the one that has a higher click-through rate. Okay, when making use of this feature, you are expected to create different types of thumbnail and upload them in the section. Then after 3 days of uploading, YouTube will tell you the one that viewers engage with the most. Now, these are the fourth most important feature that you can't afford to miss when you are uploading, that you definitely must try in your next uploading if you haven't been making use of them before. Now there is something that I would just like to throw in sharply. If you have been neglecting this feature, you are doing yourself wrong. I'm not saying that you can't make use of your YouTube app or your YouTube Studio when uploading, but later you will have to go back to your YouTube dashboard to enable these features. Remember, every views and every clicks you can get is very, very important. You don't know if the person that is watching you right now will click your end screen and your end card and watch to the end. There is something that I discovered, which is if you don't set these features, especially the end screen and the end card, YouTube will use this medium to suggest another video. I mean, another video of another creator to your audience or to your viewers. Instead of you allowing this to happen, why don't you use these features by yourself to promote your work, to promote your videos, instead of another person reaping from your work? Why don't you use this medium to showcase your videos to more audiences? You can do it by yourself. Okay, for disclaimers, before somebody will not come and drag me that I say this and I say that, because me I not get power to drag case. Now for disclaimers, I'm not saying that if you make use of these features it will determine viral success or will perform views magic. I'm only saying that if you make use of these features, it will help you to engage your audience more, and it will help you to promote more of your videos to your viewers, and also suggest your videos to large amount of audience. Now I'm going to be dropping a screen record here for you to see these features and for you to know how to make good use of these features when you want to upload your next videos. You definitely don't want to go anywhere. Just join me sharply as we do it. So guys, here in my phone, I'm just going to head over to my Chrome browser or the Google browser, anyone that is more preferable to you. And then in the search bar, I will input youtubestudio.com. Then I will allow it to load for some minutes. Then after loading, it's going to show me something like this, a format like this, which is YouTube Studio. So you long press and click on open in new tab. So when you click on that, look at the top of this screen recorder, in that place that look like a bus. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on the new tab, that channel dashboard there. So that's the one that we're going to be working with. So here is like the activities that is happening in our channel. Here is where you get to see the in-depth of what is in your channel. So I'll go over to click that bus that looks like a play button. Then I'm going to click on video. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using an already pre-uploaded video in my channel, but for those that are new that want to make use of this strategy when uploading, click on that part that say create. Then when you click on it, it's going to show you select files. Then when you select files, you are good to go. Now I'm going to be clicking on this video here. This is a video that I've already uploaded in my channel, so I'm going to click on it. So here is the basic feature this is the basic feature that you get to set when you want to upload your video. So even if you are starting for the first time, you're also going to see things like this. So at the first place, we have the title. Then in this second place, we have the description to describe what the video is all about. Then after that, we have the thumbnail. Here is the part that you get to do test and compare. So you click on test and compare, but I'm not going to be doing that in this video because this is an already pre-uploaded video. So if you want to do it, here is the part that you are going to create the 3 different thumbnail and you upload it in this section. Then after 3 days of uploading, YouTube will tell you the one that viewers engage with the most. And this is helpful, especially if you are that kind of person that you are nervous about which thumbnail will do well. This feature is for you. It makes you to know how your viewers are responding with it. So here you click on playlist and add the video in any of your playlists that you want to. Now in this section, made for kids, not made for kids, my video are not for kids video. Now my video are for 15 years upward. Now paid promotion, if you are paid to promote any product, this is not a paid promotion video, so I'm not going to be clicking on paid promotion. So yeah, altered content, do anything appear or disappear in this video? No, there is nothing that appeared or disappeared in this video. So allow automatic chapters. I always allow these features. From those places, you are free to allow them. Now this part that say tags are not very important for your video, but in case if you want to, you can add tag. Now let's see what YouTube itself said about tag. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tag plays a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. You can see that tags are not that important. So language, I leave my language on English. Now allow and bundling, allow it. Now allow short remixing, allow that one. Category, here is the part that you get to categorize your video. If it's a vlog, if it's a blog, if it's anything, if it's education. My video are usually educational video or how to, especially this video because it is based on how to upload. Now I set it on how to and styles. Now in basic moderation, you put it on basic. These are just normal basic features. Now comments, if you want comments on the video, if you don't want, you can turn them off. Now the most important part that helps you in promoting your videos to a wider audience is this part that says end screen. So just click on the end screen and allow it to load. So for this video, you know that this is an already pre-uploaded video. Now these are the end screen that I set for this video. Now because of I want to show you, I'm going to remove all of them and I'm going to set it afresh to show you how you can achieve those features. Now I'm going to be deleting everything. Now click on elements and click the format that you want. Click on video. Now this is the end screen. Now for this part that said most recent upload best for viewer, you click the one that is best for viewer, so that it says allow YouTube to select a video from your channel that best suits your viewer. So you click on that one. Now you click on this square. Now when you click on that is already set. Now the other one Now I'll just take my fingers to put it to the part where I want it to be. Now the other one, I'll choose specific for viewer, choose video. So in this part, you get to choose any video that you want to promote to your audience. Being only few months in this YouTube space, being here for only few months rather, I know what Endscreen has done for me. So if you haven't been using Endscreen, start using it as from today. Now after you have set this part, you click on save and you save it. Now the next part that is very important that you can't miss is card. Now this is where you got to put the video link. You see that thing that look like a gap on top of the video. Now that is it. Now you can even click on play to look for the particular part that you want to give reference to any of your video that you want your audience to click to watch any video. Now that is it. So I'll just click on it. Now this is the part that I'm talking about. Now when that is done, you're going to click on save. Now there is something that I also forget to highlight. Now this part, this numbers that is at the left hand side, you are going to impute it, and this side that says the video card, just impute it there. Then when that is done, you click on save. But being that I've already done this before, I'm going to click on discard changes because I did not make any permanent changes, any physical changes there. So I'll just click on save and that is done. Oh my god, I'm so pissed off right now because I wish I have been monetized. I will show you guys the parts that you are going to set ad break for your video, but this video will for sure continue sooner or later when I am monetized. So this is it, and I hope you enjoyed watching up to this time. So after you have finished doing those features, just click on save, and that is the basic features that you need for your video to grow. And if you haven't been prioritizing other features, please start now and thank me later. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it to hit the subscribe button. Okay, that is it, and I know that you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe for you not to miss out other videos like this. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell, like, share, and give me your comment in the section because I'll be very happy to attend to you. I'll be very happy to help you. Tell me what are your struggles, what you would like me to do for you in the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to assist you in a little way that I can. Now for new viewers, I want to use this medium to introduce myself to you. Hi there, my name is Israel Brady, and in this channel we give broad tutorials act like this, self-development tips, a lot of tutorials videos, and once in a while a little bit of lifestyle vibes which I will be trying out any moment from now. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do want to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment in the section. And stay safe, and I will see you later. Bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for.